everyone! Today, we're going to talk about the three types of rocks: the igneous, sedimentary, and metamorphic. In this video, we'll talk about the igneous rocks. Let's get started! Let's talk about rocks really quick. They are natural substances composed of solid crystals of different minerals that have been fused into a solid lump. The minerals may or may not have been formed at the same time. What matters is that the natural changes glued them together. The igneous rocks. The name is derived from a Latin word, ignis, which means fire. Rocks are formed from fire. Okay, there are two types of igneous rocks: extrusive igneous and intrusive igneous. How are igneous rocks classified into extrusive and intrusive igneous? They are classified according to rock feature and according to other special features. Here are the features of igneous rocks. First, where they are formed. Second, where they are created. Third, the rate of cooling. Fourth, the size of crystals. And fifth, the texture. Alright, if the rock is formed from magma, that is a molten rock inside the earth, it is called intrusive igneous. If the rock is formed from lava, that is a molten rock on the surface of the earth, it is called extrusive igneous. Alright, another feature is where they are created. If the rock is created on the surface, where molten rock explodes, it is called extrusive. If the rock is created inside the earth, it is called intrusive igneous. And now the rate of cooling. Extrusive igneous cools quickly outside earth. Intrusive igneous cools slowly inside earth. Alright, the next feature is the size of crystals. Extrusive igneous have small crystals smaller than 1 millimeter or no crystals at all, just like the obsidian here. And another example is the basalt. It is vesicular with air bubbles. Okay, the size of crystals of intrusive igneous are large, just like the granite. Okay, let's move on to the texture. Extrusive igneous rocks have very fine texture. An example of this is the obsidian. It is a very smooth rock. Intrusive igneous rocks have coarse texture. The large crystals make the texture rough. An example of this is the diorite. Alright, igneous rocks are also classified according to the silicon percentage content. They can be mafic or felsic. Mafic has 0 to 45% silicon, and the felsic has 65 to 100% silicon. Now the mafic rocks are dark colored. They can be broken down into Ma for magnesium and Fic for iron. Fic is actually like a nickname of ferrum. It is a Latin word for iron. And the felsic that contains 65 to 100% silicon are light colored igneous rocks. They can be broken down into Fel for feldspar and SiC for silica. The intermediate has a silicon content of 45 to 65%. And that's it for the igneous rocks. Thank you for watching.